सस्से रहे स्पीडी बात रही पान है भाई नहीं साउंड तो साउंड है ना और ओटर बाइन टीम करने बाहर नहीं एनर्जी दिख रही है
शत्रुओं का नाश तो तय भी है, समझ लो ये आकाश पर विजेता बिग में जो अरमान हो, बिग में जो अरमान हो। The MiG-29K is a state-of-the-art, fourth-generation carrier-borne multi-role fighter aircraft of the Indian Navy, designed for air superiority and precision strike tendency. Inducted in 2010, it operates from aircraft carriers INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikram, playing a vital role in maritime operations. With a top speed of 2,200 kilometers per hour,
रोड इसकी बान उठे मेरे पापा साउंड आई में क्यों नहीं बान
Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left and you shall now see the East ship in a column formation above the fire of the Ladies and gentlemen, the flares have been revealed in the sky. Warships are ready to launch their rockets. The formation is led by the mighty destroyer INS Mumbai, commanded by The ships are set to deploy the powerful RBU-60 rockets and RBU-6000 launchers and independent rocket launchers to complete their anti-submarine warfare capabilities. These rockets are specifically designed as underwater urgent attack weapons effective against submarines. When launched, they create a formidable deterrent in naval defense, allowing rapid response to submerged threats. The RBU-6000 and indigenous rocket launchers offer precision and force, making them invaluable in modern naval operations. By utilizing these advanced rocket systems, the fleet significantly
এই সীমাকে মুক্তি পাচ্ছে
utilize underwater
টিয়া বাগান মুক্তি পাচ্ছে
ensuring maritime security and dominating
ఇంకా
submarines.
ఇంకీది
वही मेले आई थी नानी
అదే ఇన్ని ఏడే బాగా అనేది
ये भी गहन बागान ये भी सजा नहीं है
ఏ సజాన కింది
Ladies and gentlemen, look to your left and we are just witnessing the flare parade from the ships of the Eastern Fleet.
ఆరో మన మన పిహానే ఏం బోజుతో
বর্তমান অপরাধের সম্মুখীন রেখে চারটি জাহাজমানকে রকেট ফায়ারিং
তারসিকি বাই নয় আজান্দা সাউন্ড আই নয়
Ladies and gentlemen, look to your left. We are witnessing action by our ships. After witnessing the action by our ships, let me redirect your attention to the blue skies, which will soon be filled by the full range of aircraft operated by the Indian Navy. Ladies and gentlemen, we are waiting for the Indian Advanced Helicopter after successfully flying in a silent formation. The formation is led by Commander Subrata Pati and flown by Commander Prashant Rai and Commander Vivek. अब आपने अपनी बाईं ओर से आते हुए देखा लाइव फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भर रही स्वदेशी एडवांस लाइट हेलीकॉप्टर जो केस्ट्रो के नाम से भी जाने जाता है। इस फॉर्मेशन का नेतृत्व
उठे वाइन तीन का
कमांडर
उठे वाइन तीन
बाकी
का
विमानों का संचालन कमांडर प्रशांत राय, कमांडर विवेक एवं कमांडर सतीश द्वारा किया जा रहा है। संप्रति भारतीय नौसेना भर्ती प्रक्रिया
ये बातें आज लग जाने नहीं
গঙ্গেশ বাবু পাইছিল এর ভাগ পুকুলে মানে না এরা ওটাই ভাই রন্ডে ভাই নই সিং দে লাইট জ্ঞান ভাই নই
हेलीकॉप्टर ये आज और 30 के नाम से भी प्रसिद्ध है। इसका संचालन कर रहे हैं
ওটাই ভাই
From your left, the next aircraft in perfect aeroplane formation is the Seahawk formation of the MS-16 Romeo helicopters, which are the latest multi-role helicopters of the Navy. Despite its very
Ilaw kau tembak. Ika ilaw tayo singan sana. Motor on the bike, Nera.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is the Varuna formation, consisting of the P-8I maritime patrol aircraft, flanked by MiG-29K fighter escort. The formation is being led by Captain M.S. Sia and flown by Commander Umesh, Lieutenant Commander Nitin Panda, and Lieutenant Commander Akshay. In this formation, these aircraft is providing air cover to the maritime reconnaissance aircraft.
Motor bike, ne? Motor bike. Bago treni po rin yar bike ne rate. यार खाली साउंड गीते गाते आई की
Coming in front of the guys now is the magnificent long-range and led by Commander Saurabh, with mission controller Lieutenant Commander Vivek Chauhan.
इस तरह से की बाइक
Ladies and gentlemen, directed Arun Khatin and Shandar Manu, Sultan Laila. And now look to your left and re-ready this gas. You will witness a daring display of
मां दे बाइक नहीं ने मैं हाथ नहीं है मुना रो मां दे बाइक ना यस Motor start isi ki baik ni. Arlo koksan mapping ada. Coba jadi saja dulu sih. Koksan mapping. Koksan lo putra ya. Sana isi ronde bayi. Sana